रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करने तो पहले
सर 36
36 देन 2 के बाद
सर 18
उसके बाद 18
then 2 raised to the power
9
then
3 3 3 are 3
okay, then
1 1
तो यहाँ पे दो नंबर्स मिले एक्चुअली, एक है 2 और एक 3. हाउ मेनी 2s आर देयर? 1 2
सर 4
3 4 means 2 raised to the power 4 and 3 कितने हैं? 2
raised
raised to
to
the
the
power
power 4 into
3 raised to
3
the
into
power
power 2
so for the 144 the prime factors came in the power of 2 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 2. Any doubt till here now?
No, sir.
Okay, just go for question number 2 now. 225. So 225, what I need to do? Factors निकालना है. Which numbers I should take? 2 or 3?
सर 2
No.
सर 3
नहीं. अगर हाँ 3
Three.
भी ले सकते, 3 भी ले सकते हैं.
3, sir.
3
Five.
7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. Then afterwards 3 still not
15.
3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. उसके बाद
5
5 into 5. उसके बाद
सर 1
Sir, 5.
Excuse me, sir.
5. हाँ बेटा.
सर 1 1 2
Excuse me,
5
sir.
हाँ बेटा बोलो. Yes बेटा.
Sir, what's the password of the meeting?
Password of the meeting. One two three four.
1 2 3 4
दीपक आकर कोई बंदा
Done. Any doubt till here now? 21. Should I rub it now? What are the factors here now? What are the factors of 25? 2 to 5, that is 3 into 5 into 5. Now if I see there are two numbers, one common number is 3 and one common number is 5, and how many times they are repeated? Can you tell me how many times they are repeated now?
2.
3 raised to
Sir,
the
two
power 2
times.
and 5
Sir,
raised to the power
2 times.
Done. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, question number 2, express 343 as a power of 7. Now if they have asked you express 343 as a power of 7, so what I need to do, tell me?
We have to take the LCM of 343 by 7.
Okay, should I do it by the this number or means dividation, prime factor dividation number technique? Okay, 343 only needs
Yes,
to
sir,
be
you can do it.
factors of only 7. तो 7 के टेबल में 343 आता है क्या? देख चेक करो. How many times it goes? How many times it goes? 34. 34 से छोटा मल्टीपल देखो 7 का.
49.
49.
बेटा 49
Sorry, 14. 48.
7
Sir,
7 और 7 4s are, that is 7 4s are 28.
So 343 will go
7
49
times
times.
49.
49.
7 7s are, then 7 1s are and 7. Okay, done. Now what are the factors of 7 in terms of
7
power?
raised
Tell
to
me.
the power 3.
7 into 7 into 7. So it will be what? 7 raised to the power 3. Done. Any doubt till here now? Which is the greatest?
sir your voice is cracking
Still it is cracking now?
हाँ सर थोड़ी बहुत
Okay.
No, sir, it's not tracking.
Okay.
क्रैक हो रही है.
sir 3 raised to power 4 is greater
Okay. Now they have asked two numbers, 4 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 4. So tell me, what is 4 into 4 into 4? Because it is said 3 times.
Power of
4 raised to the power
3
is
into 3
64.
into 3 into 3 into 3.
sir
Remember
4
that
raised to power 3
sir
equals to
4 का
64
क्यूब 64 होता है.
64.
4 was
And
it?
3
As
raised to the power equals to
81
81.
81
So which number is greater, 64 or 81?
3 raised to the power
Sir,
81
81. 3 raised to the power 4. is greater.
So 3 raised to the power 4 is
3
greater
raised to
than 4
power
raised to the
4
power.
is greater than 4 raised to power 3
Any doubt?
no sir
One more thing. Find the value of. Find the value of. Now, मुझे बताओ -2 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? -2 इसका मतलब क्या होता है? -2 इंटू -2 है कि नहीं? तो -2 इंटू
minus
-2
4.
नहीं,
4
Sir,
plus 4
4. Sir, 4.
plus 4
Plus 4.
+4. अगर -2 इंटू 3 रहेगा तो कितने बार आएगा? -2 इंटू -2 इंटू -2, तो कितना होगा ये?
minus 6 sorry
Minus
minus 8 minus 8
minus 8.
आई टोल्ड यू द
minus 8,
टेक्निक.
sir.
कब अलर्ट रहना है? जब यहाँ पे माइनस आता है. कब अलर्ट रहना है? जब यहाँ पे माइनस आता है.
Minus.
तो पावर देखना है हमें. व्हाट शुड बी द पावर? इफ द पावर इज पॉजिटिव मीन्स even number. If the power is even number, then the final answer will be positive. And if the power is odd number means 3, 5, 7, 1, then there will be negative mark. There will be negative answer. Good. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Sure.
sir.
Done. Now see. Now you need to be alert because there is one minus negative -1. So power is having 1000. 1000 is an even number or odd number?
even
Sir, even.
Even. तो जब even है तो आंसर फाइनल आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा कि नेगेटिव आएगा? व्हाट विल द फाइनल आंसर?
Positive.
positive
The positive.
And if you take any number of power,
Positive.
n number of powers of 1, it will be 1 only. So it will be +1. The final answer will be +1. Understood?
Plus 1.
Same,
yes sir
same goes
Yes,
to
sir.
question number. Same goes to question number 2. If you
The
see
next
in question
one.
number 2. Okay.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
first, yes, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understood the first one of the question number 4.
See.
-1 power 0, 100, 1000.
-1 है. जब -1 है तो अलर्ट हो जाओ. तो ओके. ना इफ यू नीड टू सी जो पावर है यहाँ पे पावर, उस पावर में कौन सा इंटीजर है? इज इट ऑड और इवन देयर?
Sir,
Even.
odd.
बेटा 1000 ऑड नंबर है क्या? पावर ऑड है क्या?
even
अच्छा पावर इवन है सर.
पावर इवन है. तो जब पावर इवन है तो यहाँ पे इज इक्वल टू के बाद अपने आप प्लस डाल देना. और अगर पावर ऑड है तो यहाँ पे माइनस डाल देना. एंड जो फाइनल आंसर है, जो यहाँ का ब्रैकेट का नंबर है, उसको सेम लिख देना. खत्म. इन द केस ऑफ 1. इज इट अंडरस्टूड नाउ तौहीद?
Sir, for final answer क्या
Yes,
होगा?
sir.
नथिंग. +1 ओनली. +1 ओनली ना.
क्या sir?
+1. आप 1 को कितने बार भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, आखिरी में आंसर कितना आएगा बेटा?
+1.
Plus
नहीं आएगा.
1.
बट इट डिपेंड्स कि पावर क्या है वहाँ पे. जैसे ये वाले क्वेश्चन में 1, तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं है. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं, तो उतना डरने की बात है ही नहीं. डायरेक्ट लिख दो. इट विल बी व्हाट? 1 ओनली. देखो इस नंबर पे नेगेटिव है, तो जहाँ नेगेटिव रहता है वहाँ पे देखो -1/121. व्हाट इज पावर? ऑड और इवन? पावर क्या है? ऑड नंबर है, इवन नंबर है?
Odd.
Sir, odd.
तो ऑड
Sir,
जब
odd.
रहता है, ऑड
Sir,
जब रहता है तो
it
फाइनल
will be
आंसर
-1.
माइनस हो जाए. तो माइनस
minus
स्टेप
one.
नंबर 2. अब आप वो माइनस को हटा दो.
-1.
1 इंटू 1, 1 इंटू 1 इंटू 1, कितना भी 1 इंटू 1 करो, क्या आएगा आखिरी में आपको? सिर्फ व्हाट विल बी कमिंग एट द लास्ट? n number of times you multiply 1. What
Sir,
is
0.
No. 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. You number anything you multiply 1 into 1. What will be 1? 1 into 1.
1
1 only. So answer will be minus.
-1.
Anyone who is having doubt now? Still having any doubt? Whenever you
No,
are
sir.
seeing that any number, see
So the
minus
fourth
2.
one is 0.
Just wait. -2 raised to the power 4. Now, see, don't see only negative. If there is negative, see the power. What is the power? +4 or -4? +4. The number is even or odd?
Even.
Even. तो फाइनल आंसर
Even.
यहाँ पे प्लस लिख देना. ठीक है. अब ये माइनस को हटा दो, कोई लेना देना नहीं. अब 2 को 4 बार लिख दो एक अलग स्टेप में. क्या होगा आंसर? 2 2 4, 4 2 8,
16.
so +16.
16
Like that. Done? Okay. Now coming any number raised to the power 5 raised to the power 0, or 6 raised to the power 0, or 7 raised to the power 0, or 16 raised to the power 0, or 250 raised to the power 0. Any number who is having the power raised to the 0, remember always the answer will be
Equals to 0.
0
no.
0.
No, the answer will be 1. What will be the answer?
Sir, 1.
1. एनी पावर who is having रेज टू द पावर 0, उसका मतलब होता है कि उसका आंसर कितना है 1. जैसे एक क्वेश्चन था, सी इफ आई से लाइक दिस 5 रेज टू द 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 रेज टू द पावर 0 7 रेज टू द पावर 0. मुझे बताओ 5 रेज टू द पावर 0 का मतलब क्या होता है, एक्चुअल मतलब क्या होता है?
1.
1
1.
multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 will be how much?
1.
1.
1. So the final answer will be 1 only.
1.
Okay, I'm giving you 2 questions. Let's see who solves it. मैं 2 क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, सॉल्व करके दिखाओ.
सर दोनों क्वेश्चन चैट बॉक्स में डालना है.
हाँ. Solve it now. Solve it and put the answer in the chat box privately.
So the first one will be 81.
I said to put the answer in the chat box personally. Okay, Kashvi Singh. Okay. Who is this Kashvi? मैं तो अच्छा इप्शा. Okay. Okay, Saksham said. Okay, Nutan. Good. Who said yes? -12. Double good, beta.
सर वो 7 के ऊपर पावर 0 है.
हाँ, 7 के ऊपर पावर 0 है.
सर फिर तो मेरा करेक्ट.
Do everyone has solved?
यस सर. यस सर.
Okay, now see, I'm solving it. जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, the first question is what? -3 raised to the power 4. Whenever there is a question -3 raised to the power 4, you need to get alag whenever there is a negative number. And whenever there is a negative number, you need to see the power is odd or even. बताओ power क्या है बेटा? Positive है, negative है, odd है, even है?
Even. Even.
Even.
जब बेटा
Positive even.
yeah, whenever the number is even number, so the answer, final answer will be what? Positive.
Positive.
Now
Positive.
leave that negative and multiply it 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How much it will be? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3?
81.
81.
81. Clear? Done?
Yes, sir.
Kai? Second question. -12. If it is there -12, you need to get alert because minus number is there. See the power. Is it odd or even?
Odd.
Odd.
Rod.
Odd.
The final answer will be how
Odd.
much? Final answer will be how much? Negative, positive?
-12.
Minus.
Negative.
It is only for
Negative.
once. So it is going to be -12. Okay. Now 7 raised to the power 0 to into 2 raised to the power 2. So 7 raised to the power 0 is will be how much? Any raised power number having raised to the power 0 is 1.
1.
Multiply by
Sir,
2 raised
1.
to the power 2. How much?
4.
4. Sir, 1 into 4. 4.
So answer will be 4. Should I increase the level? Can you solve it now? Okay, I'm giving a question, solve it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. I'm just giving you 1 minute. Exact 60 seconds. The time starts now.
Sir, what is prime factors?
Prime factors means those number which cannot be divisible by any other number. They can be divisible by only one on the same number. जो खुद से डिवाइड हो सकते हो 1 से और किसी से नहीं. काशी इप्शा ओके काय
So the answer is minus 8,000.
मोबाईल तिथे आहे 5 मिनिटं 10 मिनिटं बाकी आहे फक्त चार्जिंग करून यायचं ना मग
Sir, send the answer to you in the chat
कोणी रात्री
box.
चार्ज केला का फोन ओके यस now see if the number is positive no need to panic so 2 raised to the power will be how much
2.
2
2.
now minus 2 is there minus 2 raised to the power cube is there so you need to be attentive power क्या है यहाँ पे odd है कि even है
Sir,
Odd.
फाइनल आंसर कितना आएगा फाइनल आंसर नेगेटिव आएगा एंड उसको हटा दो
Negative.
माइनस साइन को हटा दो एंड मल्टीप्लाई 3 टाइम्स 2 into 2 into 2 हाउ मच इट विल बी 2 into 2 into 2
Minus 8. Minus.
so minus 8
Minus
Minus
8.
multiply by same in
So
the
the
case of
answer
minus
will.
5 will be raised to the power 3 tell me
Yes, sir.
power is
So minus
odd.
125.
minus and 5 into 5 into 5 into 5
Minus
so how much
125.
125 so it will be how much
Minus 125.
minus 125
Minus
minus
125.
125 and 7 is to the power 0 how much it will be
1.
1.
and 4 is to the power 1 is 4 okay now do the calculation now one more thing minus 8 into minus 125 will be converted minus minus will be getting into plus so both will be cancelled now you have to multiply
Plus.
2 into 8 into 125 into 4 so do the calculation
So the answer
1,000.
8,000.
8,000.
अर्जुन भाऊ ऐका ना मला सराला विचारायचं आहे माझा EPFO मध्ये दुसरा नंबर आहे नहीं अच्छा आधार कार्ड पे लिंक वाला चाहिए क्या कट करो उसको
8,000.
Sir, 8,000.
Sir, 8,000.
डन okay thank you done what is the answer 8,000 okay perfect exactly perfect now great it will be 8,000 should I move a bit any doubt till here now
Yes, sir. No,
can
sir.
we write how many
Sir,
times 7
no
is
doubt.
repeated how many times 7 is repeated now here
5.
Sir, 7 raised to power 5.
5.
7 raised to power 5.
two numbers are there now two numbers what are the two numbers 4
So
and
4 is to the power 2 into 6 to the power 3.
Power 3 into power 4.
to power 4.
4.
now okay just take 2 it by 2 by 2 okay how many times
Sir,
one
minus
is
1 is 1 into
Just
the
wait.
5.
Minus 1
Minus
into
1
5.
raised to power 5.
Minus 1 into the power 5.
last one fourth one a b
8 raised to the power
3
into
B
B to 1
to the power 3 into B
power 3 is to power
D
2.
into power 2.
good perfect now see when properties are there if a number is there like this and if a number is like this दोनों पावर में है तो what will happen जो दोनों पावर रहते हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 2 into 3 so it
Multiply.
will be how much 5 into raised to the power 6 and उसके बाद हम लोगों को सॉल्व करना है 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 any doubt till here so can you
No,
tell me what
sir.
यहाँ पे जब दोनों पावर्स जहाँ पे दोनों नंबर पावर्स में तो क्या होगा ये 2 raised to the power 3 into
2 raised to the power 9.
2 raised to the power 9.
so 2
So
raised to
in
the
that
power 9
question we don't have to
Raised
solve
to the power 9.
exponential form.
yeah in the exponential form अच्छा okay so we can do ना nothing happens कर सकते हैं ना हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना एक कोई restrictions नहीं है we can learn ना what will be the answer so 2 2 4 3 6 7 8 9 फिर इसका टोटल काउंट करके कैलकुलेशन करना है सेम गोज फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन ए पावर में क्या दो नंबर्स है अल्फाबेट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 3
A raised to the power BC.
A is to power
b into c तो सेकंड स्टेप विल बी a raised to the
C.
power c done any doubt if it comes like this now bata tell me 5 raised to the power
5 raised to the power 2 into 2.
raised to the power
Sir,
20.
5 into 4.
5 raised to the power 4. If a question comes like this, minus 5, 2, 2, 3. Tell me now.
So 2 into 2 into 3.
Minus 5.
So 5 raised to the power 2 into 2.
Yeah, 2 into 2 into 3. Good.
Minus
Doubt?
5 raised to the power
Sir, minus
Sir, 12.
5 power 12.
minus 5 raised to the power 12.
Good. Any doubt till here now?
No, sir.
Come to question number 7. Come to question number 7. Minus 3 by 4 क्यूब. Now, सबसे पहले बेसिक्स याद रखो. इसमें प्रूफ करना है कि दोनों इक्वल है. Now see, power, if there is negative number, see the power. Is it positive or negative? Odd or even?
Odd.
Sir,
So
odd.
Negative
answer will
odd.
be negative. So answer will be
Odd.
negative. Now अलग से solve करो उसको 3 into 4 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 4 because it is 3 times. Now 3 into 3 into 3 upon 4 into 4 into 4. What is the answer?
Sir, 27 upon 64.
Sir,
27
27 upon 64.
64.
So you got the left hand side, that is minus 27 upon 64. Is it similar to right hand side? Is it similar to right hand side?
Yes,
See
sir.
the question.
Yes, sir.
So can
Yes,
I say
sir.
yes? Can I say yes? It is equal. LHS is equal to RHS. Mean left hand side is equal to
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you solve by your own this question? Minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 6 is equal to 64 by 29. Just solve it. How many questions are there? Let me see. I've shared it with you. You can practice it. Question bank, you can practice at home also. And you need to submit the question bank also, okay? Those who have done online also and offline also, both of them, both the copies, you prepare a PDF and you need to send on the bvmmath7c@gmail.com.
Sir, the question back. Yes, sir.
No, your NCERT
So
solutions.
LHS equals to RHS.
Yes, sir, it's equal.
Sir,
Sir, LHS is equal to RHS.
Yeah,
Sir,
LHS
because
is
it
equal
is
to
following.
RHS. Perfect. Can you solve this question number 8.1? See, if you see there, 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 4. Now, ऐसे questions में, now in such kind of questions, यहाँ पे दो numbers similar है. कौन से दो numbers similar है? 3 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 3.
Sir, 3 raised to the power
Exponents. तो
raised
उसको
to
उसके
power.
नीचे लाओ, उसके नीचे लाओ. 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 4. जब
So we
multiplication
will
हो रहा है,
subtract the powers, right?
whenever the two numbers are getting multiplied, so what happens? I told you 5 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the, तो उसके powers को exponents जो है
5 raised to the
उसको
power.
ऐड कर दो. So 2 plus 4. तो यहाँ पे ये जो दोनों नंबर है जिनका दोनों सेम है, so it will be what?
5 raised to the power 6.
5 raised to the power 2 plus 4. यहाँ पे बताओ, यहाँ पे दोनों numbers क्या हो रहे हैं?
Sir, 5
इसके
raised
साथ
to
क्या
the
होता
power
है? वो
6.
दोनों 3 raised to the power 4 upon 3 raised to the power 3 means what will happening? Multiplication plus होगा कि minus होगा?
Sir, minus. Sir, 4 minus 3.
Sir, minus.
4
3 raised to the
equals to
power
1.
minus 3 and 2 raised to the power 3. Can you take out the final answer?
But 24 by 25.
What is the final answer?
Twenty-four by 25.
Okay. Siddhant.
So then what about 2 raised to power 3?
2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 6 प्लस एक्सपोनेंट्स फॉर्म में। अगर वो ब्रीफली बोलते तो हम लोग पूरा सॉल्व करते थे, सिंप्लीफाई करते तो पूरा आंसर्स निकाल सकते हैं, हमारे ऊपर है वो। ओके, सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर दिस, कैन यू सॉल्व, आइडेंटिफाई द टू वे एक्सपोनेंट फर्स्ट।
सर 3
नो, बेस में क्या क्या सिमिलर है देखो पहले, कौन सी चीज बेस में सिमिलर है।
Sir, k.
k
Raised to the power 3 and k raised to the power 4.
Okay, now if you see k raised to the power 3 and k raised to the power 4, दोनों केस में क्या है बताओ।
The multiplication of the base.
यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे 1 होगा, so 1 into 2 will be 2, then k raised to the power दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे, so k will be plus 3, it will be 5 raised to the power 3 into 2 k raised to the power
7.
Done. In this question, don't worry, I'll upload the recording. सबसे पहले जो डिवाइड वाला पार्ट है कभी भी उसको कंप्लीट करना। 3 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 2 क्या होगा, which factor will be there? If a upon n, तो क्या होगा, प्लस होगा माइनस होगा, powers will be minus or
So minus.
minus.
The
So 3
minus.
raised to the power 5 minus 3 raised to the power 2, how much it will be?
3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 8.
3 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to, अब जब दोनों पावर्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में तो क्या होगा, आंसर क्या आएगा,
Add the exponent.
add the exponent, 3 to the power
Sir, add the exponents.
Power 5.
3 to the power 11.
3 raised to the power 11.
done. Any doubt?
no
Now 8 raised to the power 3 upon 2 raised to the power 4, जब भी बड़े नंबर्स रहते हैं 8 किस केस में आता है,
We can simplify them.
Sir,
Yeah.
2.
2
Sir,
into 2
two.
into 2 into 2 means 2
The
को
2
मैं
raised to the power 3 raised
3,
to the
तो
power
मैं
3.
इस 8 की जगह पे
2
लिख रहा हूँ
raised to
2
the
raised to the
power
power 3
3
upon 3 and 2 raised to the power 4, तो जब पावर्स में तो what will happen,
Some multiplication of powers.
The multiplication.
Some multiplication.
so it will be what, 2 raised to the power 9 upon 2 raised to the power 4, so it will be there 2 raised to the
Oh.
power 9
2 raised to the
2
power
raised to the
9
power 5.
minus 4.
minus 4
power 5. Done. Any doubt?
sir
No, sir.
सबसे सिंपल एक्सरसाइज, सबसे सिंपल है ये वाला पार्ट, ये पता है सबको कैसे करते हैं, याद है ना, मैंने बताया
Yes,
था।
sir.
7
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नंबर कितने जीरो, कितने नंबर
We have
स्टेप,
to show
1
all
2
the
3 4,
steps.
या 1 2 3 4 प्लस, अगर मैं उसको पकड़ूँ 8 को पकड़ूँ 0 को पकड़ूँ तो कितने नंबर्स रहेंगे उसके साथ 0 के बाद,
The 3.
3, 1 2 3 प्लस मैं 0 को हटा दूँ, अभी 8 को लूँ तो क्या कितने नंबर्स रहेंगे,
The 2.
2, sir. Sir, 2.
then 2 I take 2 into the power 10 and then
1
4 into the power
1.
1. ओके, हाँ अगर कोई पूछता है
Sir,
4 into the
4
power,
4 ही रहेगा.
हाँ 4 into the power 1 को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 4 into the 10 raised to the power 0. Done? Any doubt? Then
Yes, sir.
No,
then you
sir.
can do like this,
बाद
7000
वाली step.
plus, you can write like this na, I told you.
Sir, are there 2 steps or only we can do like this and get the answer?
You can do like this also na.
सर हमें पूरा स्टेप्स लिखने पड़ेंगे ना
हाँ
ये
लिखने
सारे
एग्जाम में एक लिखने पड़ेंगे।
सर वो पहला स्टेप और दूसरा स्टेप इन दोनों में से कोई भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
कोई भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है,
मैंने तो कॉपी में दोनों कर दिए.
okay, you can do it like this. So thank you, have a great day, bye bye, I think, I hope you have enjoyed the class.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
yes sir
Bye sir, thank
complete
you.
the question bank,
yes
complete
sir
the
bye
question
sir
bank.
thank you
And
Bye,
जो
sir.
physically-
Thank you.
Bye sir.
जो
Thank
फिजिकली
you
आ रहे
sir.
थे स्कूल में, जो फिजिकली आ रहे थे स्कूल में उनको भेजना
Bye, sir.
है
Thank you.
PDF बना के।